Hi, it's Paula Kinney, your favorite kitchen designer from Love Your Nest Kitchen Design Studio. I have created something that will help you if you're considering renovating your kitchen, but you tend to get a little stressed out when you think about it or maybe a little overwhelmed. I have something that will help you clarify your thoughts and give you some steps to get headed in the right direction. I've created 7 steps to a stress-free kitchen remodel. So I'm sure you've heard a lot of horror stories where people have lived in renovations for months and months. Well, hopefully this little tool here will help alleviate some of that stress. Obviously, if you hire Love Your Nest Kitchen Design Studio, you won't have that stress. But if you decide not to do that, I can help you begin to start planning your renovation by thinking about these 7 things that are key to planning your renovation. So you can click the link below and download this handy dandy little mini mag. And I detail a few things in there about getting started, what you should think about. So start, taking some notes, start thinking about how you want to plan your renovation. Or if you don't want to touch anything or think about anything, you can call us, Love Your Nest Kitchen Design Studio. We'd be glad to help you. We help clients virtually anywhere in the world, but we're located in the greater Cleveland area. You may also schedule a complimentary 15-minute discovery call. So on the call, you can schedule time with me. You can talk about some of the challenges you're thinking you may have, some of your fears, some of your concerns, and I'll talk you through as much as I can, as quick as I can in those 15 minutes. It amazingly has helped a lot of people and sent them on their way. So it's a great tool and a great resource. Feel free to visit our website to schedule, loveyournest.co. And in the meantime, you can download this handy dandy little mini mag, 7 steps to a stress-free kitchen remodel, because you do want a stress-free remodel. Nobody needs any added stress. Kitchens are very important. They're the hub of our homes, so these tools can kind of help move you along quickly and hopefully stress-free. So thanks for listening, and click the link below to download your copy. Thank you. Have a great day.